So just a very quick video about how I use little transparent images to build up something like feathers. So let's take a look and I'll show you how we do it. So I use images that are transparent backgrounds. So I basically use feathers that I get from Procreate. So I just draw out the feather very, very quickly, leave it on a layer in Procreate, and then export it as a PNG. And I just put that all in my either in a landing pad or in the web app, and then they're available to me here. So let me just show you that. So come up here and look in basically in your files. So in your import folder, navigate to probably be, if you've just done it now, you'll find them in literally at the front of your folder, and then just drag them out like so. And because they've got transparent backgrounds or transparent PNGs, then you basically can just drag them out and use them in the scene. You don't even need to use them as geometry. Now what you will need to do is grab them all and hit the blue anchor button, and that means it will pin it to your model that you're currently working on. And then, because they're done like that, they'll all, because you've done one, they will all hang in the scene quite nicely. So you can just position them however you want. So, for example, you could, let me bring it up here out of the way. You could make some, you're basically thinking about a bird or a raptor's wing. You could do primaries, secondaries, and just build them up like this. And because I've done a few different types of feathers, I could do some, the black one, I'll angle it so as it goes round they layer down nicely. And then secondaries, like so. And then the ones at the top, little fluff ones, like so. So you can build up a really nice feathered wing. You know, if you group all them together, that they could make a really nice effect. And I'll show you one that I've done, which is the full wing here. And because we've got it like that, you can see how that would, although there's no animation in VRSketch, that wouldn't take much to, to make a full entire feathered dinosaur or a feathered bird. And you can keep them in groups. So, they look really good when you're moving around and pose them in their group. And obviously, you can just swing your non-dominant hand and get the camera, and you can push the lens forward like that, but basically narrow or widen it to get it all in. And then you can take specific planned photographs. So if you do that, like that, and then click with your fire button, and that's sending that out. So that's ways to, obviously you can maybe even scale it up and then take pictures of it like that. So for concept art and just for making, designing creatures and feathers, I'm going to use this quite a lot in the future, but it works really, really well. It's, it can really help you to visualize something like a feathered creature. If VRSketch feels exciting but also a little bit overwhelming, that's exactly why we've created our new course. It's made to help beginners feel confident step by step without all the confusion that comes with trying to piece everything together on your own. So if you'd like to be first to hear about it when it launches, then click on the link below and join the early release list. Everyone on that list gets access to an early launch discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.